Ito yung bagong color ng Altis ngayon. Cement Gray. Guys, hindi karamihan yung supply nito sa Pinas ha. So, kuhanin nyo agad basta't may available.
Highly suggested any color. In the meantime, itong available is Cement Gray.
So, the update is, ang siste is, lahat na ng Altis is hybrid. So wala na tayong ICE. Wala nang gas engine for this. Right?
So ang sistema is, kapag wala na namang available nito is, ang i-offer ko ulit is the Corolla Cross with higher ground clearance. Diba?
Solid na headlight na, no? Napaka-iconic na Altis. Yeah, man. Yeah, ito yung emblem na meron pang blue eh. Oh. Yung ibang hybrid kasi hindi na naka-blue na emblem eh. And that's the 17 inches mags. Two-tone design. And ito na yung outro ko. Kung walang available nito, nandito pa rin naman yung Corolla Cross. With higher ground clearance, medyo mas stable yung supply nito sa Pinas. Meron akong vlog nito, in and out. Check my TikTok and YouTube. So that's the Altis G. It's the base variant pero like I mentioned, it's hybrid na lang. Wala nang gas engine. Alright, bye. Thank you.